Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off sleep mode on your Windows 11 computer. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. After doing everything I will demonstrate in this video, your computer will never go into sleep mode again and you will not have to lock your screen and type your password again and again. So all you have to do is follow these instructions step by step. First go ahead and open up your control panel, then just click on it and give it a moment to load. Next, make sure that View By is set to large icons, and you can check that by clicking on it. Once you have done that, go ahead and locate Power Options, then double-click on it. When you access this menu, go to the left side and click on Change when the computer sleeps. After that, you can choose the timing for putting the computer to sleep. Click on Never, then go to the right side and choose Never Again for when the computer is plugged in. Finally, click on Save Changes. So that was how to change the sleep settings on Windows 11, and as always, thank you for watching.